Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you avoid buyer's remorse and maybe even save your sanity. Today, we're diving into the world of steam cleaning. That's right, folks. We're comparing the Shark S3501 Steam Pocket Mop with the Steam and Go 10-in-1 Steam Mop. It's a battle of steam machines that will make your floors cleaner than your conscience after binge watching your favorite show. First up, let's talk about the price. The Shark S3501 will set you back $89, while the Steam & Go is a smidge more expensive at $99. Reviewers appreciate that the Shark offers great value for its easy assembly and effective cleaning capabilities, especially on bamboo floors. However, some users of the Steam & Go find it to be a good investment for its versatility and effectiveness on various surfaces. So if you want to save $10, you might have to sacrifice a few features, or buy a fancy coffee instead. Next, let's look at design and convenience. The Shark is like that reliable friend who shows up on time and doesn't judge you for your Netflix choices. It features a comfortable grip and an 18-foot power cord, making it perfect for all sealed hard floors. Reviewers love its ease of use and quick operation. On the other hand, the Steam & Go is the Swiss Army knife of steam mops. It comes with multiple attachments and a detachable base, allowing you to clean everything from floors to curtains. Reviewers appreciate its portability and long cord, making it a favorite among those looking for convenience. Now, let's get steamy. The Shark turns ordinary water into superheated steam in just 30 seconds. Reviewers rave about its ability to clean effectively without leaving a filmy residue. Meanwhile, the Steam & Go has a dual-tank system for both water and detergent, operating at a max temperature of 356 degrees Fahrenheit. Some users love the adjustable steam power it provides, making it versatile for different cleaning tasks. Both products have their strengths in steam power, but it really depends on your cleaning needs. Now, cleaning performance is key. The Shark claims to lock in dirt with its machine-washable microfiber pads, and reviewers have noted its effectiveness at cleaning floors like new. However, some users have pointed out that it struggles a bit with grout. On the other hand, the Steam & Go boasts enhanced pressure that tackles tough grime, making it a favorite among those who deal with stains and dirt regularly. Reviewers have noted its effectiveness on various surfaces, but also mentioned some durability concerns. It seems both mops have their pros and cons regarding performance. Overall, the Shark S3501 Steam Pocket Mop is praised for its affordability, ease of use, and effectiveness, while the Steam & Go 10-in-1 Steam Mop is celebrated for its versatility and powerful cleaning capabilities. Both products have their loyal fans, and it ultimately comes down to personal preference. So which steam mop reigns supreme? The Shark S3501 is your reliable, no-fuss buddy, while the Steam & Go is the versatile, all-in-one champ, ready to tackle anything from floors to curtains. If you're looking for a straightforward cleaner, go with the Shark. But if you want something that can do it all and then some, the Steam & Go is your best bet. At the end of the day, it's all about what fits your cleaning style. Let us know in the comments which one you'd choose and why. Do you want the classic Shark or the ambitious Steam & Go? And remember, folks, whether you're mopping or binge watching, always buy smart. See you next time, and keep your floors clean and your spirits high.